Good morning, students. Today I am going to show you how blood is circulating in the human body by means of this simple diagram. Now in this diagram you can see that there is the heart in the center, then the lungs and the body organs which are shown here. The heart is depicted by a box-like structure, and this box is divided into 4 compartments, which you already know that the heart on the left side has the left atrium, the left ventricle, the right atrium and the right ventricle. So these parts of the heart are shown here. Now, from where does blood get oxygen? Blood gets oxygen from the lungs. So the lungs are here, and from the lungs the blood will get oxygen, and this oxygenated blood, rich in oxygen, will be carried by means of the pulmonary vein. Now also you must recall that the pulmonary vein is the only vein which carries oxygenated blood. All other veins carry deoxygenated blood. So by means of the pulmonary vein, this oxygenated blood reaches the left atrium. The left atrium relaxes to receive the blood and pumps it to the left ventricle. And you can remember that once the blood has flowed from the atrium to the ventricle, the valve in between will close. Once the blood has reached the left ventricle, it has to be sent to all the body organs, and that is accomplished by means of the aorta or the main artery which carries the oxygenated blood to the body organs. Now the aorta is a thick artery and it divides into thinner arterioles and even thinner capillaries, such that every single cell in every organ of the body gets oxygen from the blood. It also gets other substances which are required for growth, and the harmful waste is again absorbed by the blood here, and carbon dioxide also is taken up here. Now this blood, which is no longer having any oxygen and is rich in carbon dioxide, has to be sent back to the heart. So this is accomplished by means of the main vein, that is the vena cava vein. So the superior and inferior vena cava take this deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. From the right atrium, this deoxygenated blood is pumped to the right ventricle, and from the right ventricle, it again has to go to the lungs by means of the pulmonary artery. Now here again you can see that pulmonary artery is carrying deoxygenated blood. So it is an exception. It is the only artery which carries deoxygenated blood. All other arteries, they carry oxygenated blood. Now students, why do we call it double circulation? We call it double circulation because you have already observed that the same blood is flowing through the heart twice. Once on the left hand side, once the blood is flowing on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side. The same blood is flowing twice through the heart. So this is known as double circulation. And there are 2 cycles which are happening here. One is the cycle between the heart and the lungs. Here, this cycle between the heart and the lungs, this is known as pulmonary circulation, and the other cycle between the heart and the body organs is known as systemic circulation. So blood circulation is actually double circulation in the heart, and it has 2 components, pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. Now, what is the advantage of this double circulation? The advantage is that it ensures that there is a rapid availability of oxygen to every body part, and it is highly efficient because human beings, mammals and birds, they have high energy needs, and so by means of this double circulation, every cell of the body gets oxygen in an efficient manner, and double circulation also helps in regulating temperature. Thank you.